Welcome to You Can Plumbing. I'm Mark the Plumber, and today we're going to do the 7-day review on the Glacier Bay Power Flush Soft Close Toilet Lid Toilet. So what I'd like to say, it's only been 7 days, but I didn't want to give a review on something that hadn't been used. Give you a little background. I have 5 kids. This is in the kids area, so it gets used a lot. I mean, this truck probably gets used and abused, probably similar to like a truck stop. Kids, if you have kids, you completely understand what I'm talking about. Give you an example. I'm pretty sure I overheard one of my kids asking the other one if they knew where the crayons and crepe paper were because they had to write an apology letter to the toilet. So that's where we're coming from here. With that being said, now before we get too far into this video, I just want to make sure I ask you, please like and subscribe to this channel. The sooner we get the numbers up in subscribers, the sooner they'll start giving me a little bit of money, and then I can give the money back to you guys to help you purchase things like this Glacier Bay Power Flush toilet. Also, looking ahead, I think once we get to around 1,000 subscribers, I want to buy one of these toilets and I want to pull the back apart to show you exactly what is going on that sets it apart from the rest of the toilets in its same class. So thank you and enjoy the rest of the video. So far it has performed great. It flushes well, and the biggest thing, especially in a kid's room, there's only one handle. I had the dual flush one in here before. One handle. Good solid flushes, gets the job done, nothing left in the bowl afterwards. The bowl gets completely cleaned out, everything flushes away. So far, I have to say, I 100% endorse this toilet. I think it's a great toilet, especially for the $250 range of toilets. It's on the lower end of cost. You can't go wrong. This toilet performs like much more expensive. It does a great job just excavating everything out of there, and like I said, the amount of water that dumps into the bowl and around the bowl, I have to give this toilet the thumbs up. Like it is an amazing toilet. It does the job. I mean, it's not a traditional power flush like the ones if you've ever used one before, but it does a great job. Now I'll give another update on this toilet in a month, so 30 days. I figure that's the best way to do this. Gives you a better idea of usage and what I truly think of this toilet. I mean, as of right now, I would say for $250, you can't go wrong. With that being said, thank you very much for watching You Can Plumbing, and we'll see you on the next one.